Hey there! Welcome to this video where we're going to dive into the world of short-term rentals and discover some insider tips and tricks to maximize your profits. Listen up, because if you're in the business of short-term rentals, finding a profitable market can be the difference between success and failure. So grab a pen and paper, because we're about to reveal some secrets that can skyrocket your rental revenue. Throughout this video, we'll cover everything from how to find the perfect location to how to price your rental just right. Plus, we'll even share some creative ways to market your property and attract more bookings. So, if you're ready to take your short-term rental business to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now that we've covered the basics of finding the perfect location for your vacation rental, let's dive into the importance of targeting niche markets with high demand. It's not enough to simply have a great rental in a desirable location. You need to know your target market and cater to their specific needs and desires. Whether it's families with children, pet owners, or adventure seekers, there's a niche market out there for everyone. But don't just stop at identifying your target market. Do your research and find out what your competition is doing. What amenities and services are they offering? How can you differentiate yourself and offer something unique? One way to stand out is by offering personalized touches and unique amenities. Maybe it's a complimentary bottle of wine upon arrival, a fully stocked kitchen with local delicacies, or a personalized guidebook of local hotspots. Get creative and think outside the box. And once you've identified your target market and unique selling points, it's time to promote your rental to potential guests in that market. Utilize social media, online travel agencies, and targeted advertising to get your rental in front of the right people. Remember, targeting niche markets with high demand is key to standing out in the crowded vacation rental market. So do your research, get creative, and get your rental in front of the right people. Now let's talk about pricing strategies. As a business owner, setting the right prices can be a challenge. You don't want to price yourself too high and drive customers away, but you also don't want to be too cheap and sacrifice your profits. But have you considered implementing dynamic pricing based on demand and seasonality? By adjusting your prices based on the level of demand during certain times of the year, you can increase your revenue without turning away potential customers. Of course, setting competitive prices is only one piece of the puzzle. To really maximize your profits, you should also focus on upselling and offering add-ons to your guests. This not only increases your revenue, but it also enhances the customer experience by offering additional value. So what kinds of add-ons can you offer? Well, the possibilities are endless. You could offer special packages or deals, such as a spa package or a romantic weekend getaway. Or you could offer extra amenities, such as a late checkout or a complimentary breakfast. Ultimately, the key to successful pricing strategies is finding the right balance between profitability and customer satisfaction. By implementing dynamic pricing and offering add-ons, you can increase your revenue while still providing a positive experience for your guests. Now, let's talk about something that can make or break your short-term rental business: customer service. It's no secret that providing exceptional customer service is key to generating positive reviews and repeat business. But what exactly does great customer service entail? Firstly, it's important to respond promptly to guest inquiries and address any issues that may arise during their stay. Remember, these guests are paying to stay in your property, so it's important to make them feel valued and heard. Secondly, offering personalized recommendations to guests can enhance their experience and make them feel special. Whether it's suggesting local restaurants or activities, or providing extra amenities, these small touches can go a long way in creating a memorable stay for your guests. But great customer service doesn't just benefit your guests in the short term. Prioritizing customer service can lead to long-term benefits for your business, such as increased positive reviews, higher occupancy rates, and ultimately, more revenue. So don't overlook the importance of providing exceptional customer service in your short-term rental business. It's a win-win for both you and your guests. All right, folks, we've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you've been taking notes, because these tips and tricks are going to take your short-term rental business to the next level. Remember, finding a profitable market is key, and once you do, you want to maximize those profits with the strategies we've covered. It's all about being strategic and making smart choices that will benefit your business in the long run. So take what you've learned today and put it into action. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works for you. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.